How to redeem 2800 VBucks card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 2800 VBucks card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to redeem your VBucks card, please follow the steps mentioned. Keep the receipt for the VBucks card purchase in case you run into any issues, as the receipt might be required by the support team to assist you. So now, first, log in to your Epic Games account. If you are redeeming your card for a console, you can log in using your console credentials. Note that make sure that the display name under account information matches your in-game display name. Next, hover over your display name icon in the top right corner and then click on the VBucks card. Next, click Get Started to begin the redemption process. Carefully scratch off the back of your VBucks card to avoid damage and enter your PIN code with no dashes. Next, tap on the Next button and select the platform you want to redeem the VBucks card on, and then click on Next again. Note that if you don't see the platform you want to redeem your card on, please verify the Epic account you are logged in, as this step will show you the devices linked to the account you are currently signed in to. Review the details and make sure the Epic account, device, and new balance are all correct, and then click on Confirm. So this is how you can redeem 2800 VBucks card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.